For today's unboxing, we have this package from Portland Leather Goods. It's a Tote mystery box that they have. This is fun because sometimes you get random color that you just can't get from their regular listing. So I don't know what to expect because this is my first time ordering their mystery box. So let's open it up and see what I get today. You can see they all packed really well. Okay, this looked like a huge tote. Wow, I think it's their oversized tote, and with zipper closure too. Wow, look at the shine on the leather. I just love it, and I'm glad that they give me a tote that with zipper, because I always prefer my bag has some kind of closure. Yeah, they use YKK zipper and you can see it's quite smooth. This would be a great size for overnight trip or when I go camping. And I think they pack something inside. Let's see. Oh, I see something small. Yeah, I think this is a coin purse that you can put coins or your earphone. It's cute. And then this is a bigger item. Oh, wow. Look at the leather. The deep dark chocolate kind of color. Could be their cold brew color option, I think. I think this is an Eclipse Makeup Bag, which is a good size for organizing things in your tote bag. And then we have this another case. This is a pencil case, I think. I think I've seen people put sunglasses in it, but it may be too small for sunglasses, but I can use it for my camera batteries for sure. Then one last item would be, oh my god, is this green envelope wallet case? Wow, yeah, you can't get green color right now from their website. I think this is what exciting about mystery box. Like you really get color that you can't get normally from their website, and it's fun. It's fun to get random color, random stuff that you may not know that you need them. So look at the texture of the leather. And I like the inside of it, the sway internal side. It's just so soft to touch. Yeah, you can see I love it so much that I just can't put it down. I feel like I'm ready to order another one. It's just so great. I love what I got today, and I definitely will order another one soon. Maybe next time I'll order a crossbody, since I love their crossbody bag. Yep, I'm really happy with what I got today, and I hope when you got your mystery box, you get some good one too.